always say good morning in business in Korea. So wag po kayo magulat bakit good morning. Hindi po ako nagkamali. Thank you all for attending our one-day seminar. I am Diamond Master Reynaldo Napalang from Fairview Lagra Center. A physician by profession with anesthesiology and interventional pain management as my specialization. I came to know Atomy in 2019. Since then, I have a lot of reasons to thank God. I am thankful to God for having given me the opportunity to strike a beautiful friendship with Sharon Rose Master Dina Lee. She is instrumental in finding my new mission, my new purpose. For over 22 years now, I have been a physician. I am thankful to God for allowing me to know my purpose, to help the sick, to put them to sleep while in surgery, to make them emerge from sleep smoothly and to ease their pain. I wake up each day with a purpose. When I turn half a century, I am indeed very blessed to have found another purpose. That is to let everyone know the purpose, the products of Atomy. To help everyone, including myself, to have a healthy lifestyle and using Atomy nutritional, beauty, and household products. And by doing so, everyone contributes in saving the earth because they have all natural and all environment-friendly products. Equally important is to be able to help others to be aware that we can all earn a little more to augment the family income, and the top most important is to help everyone be a Hemohim believer. I often tell myself if only everyone will take probiotics, Hemohim, milk thistle, calcium, vitamin C, and vitamin B, then we can prevent illness. If there is a small lump or tumor somewhere in your body, Hemohim will heal it. If there is liver damage and a stressful life, Rhodiola milk thistle will help repair the liver and relieve the stress. For every disease, there is an Atomy product that can help with all natural ingredients. Now we should help educate people about Hemohim. And I want to reach as many as I can so that they will learn more about Hemohim and all the products of Atomy. That is my new mission. For my speaker declaration, for the first-timers here, this is our virtual shopping mall with all the different products from nutritional aesthetics, beauty, and household. Do you all know how to navigate the Atomy virtual office? Google Atomy Philippines, click login, use your ID number, password, then you can click the shopping mall. You can find all the products under each heading. And if you click the product, meron din pong information about the product so that you will have an idea of the ingredients and the nutritional facts. So the concept behind Atomy is masstige, a word coined from mass, meaning target consumers, and prestige, quality products. Atomy products are more than just useful. They are award-winning, top-quality products providing benefits to consumers with absolute quality at very reasonable prices while also increasing the quality of life for all of us. So there are two important things we need to know about drugs and nutritional products. Even as lay persons or you're not a health worker, you should also know the pharmacodynamics. That is what the drug does to the body. So the four main drug actions are stimulates, depresses, blocks, and stabilizes. Drugs may have direct beneficial chemical reactions or direct harmful chemical reactions. Example, direct beneficial, yung pong mga drugs na nagsistimulate, like caffeine is not very bad, pero pag sumusobra po, napapasama. It is a stimulant. Like alcohol is direct harmful chemical reaction in our body. It does harmful, it depresses. Yun po yung ginagawa ng isang substance to our body. That's pharmacodynamics. And for the pharmacokinetics, what our body does to the drug. So when you take in the drug, what will happen to the drug? What will your body do to the drug? Po ba, pag nilunok nyo, it goes to the stomach and then gut absorption, the bioavailability, distribution of the drug, and the metabolism in the liver, and then excretion. So it is important even as laypersons to know very well the drugs and food supplements our doctors prescribe to you. Take responsibility to know and learn. Always ask doctors to explain what the effects of the drugs you are taking and the possible drug interaction with your other food supplements. Our two featured products for the day are Atomy Rhodiola Milk Thistle and Hemohim. Rhodiola Milk Thistle is a multi-complex formula with milk thistle and rhodiola, which are both herbs, and vitamin B5, which is pantothenic acid, vitamin B6, vitamin B1, thiamine, and vitamin B2. The human liver is the largest solid organ of the body located below your diaphragm. It is in the right upper quadrant of your abdomen, has two lobes, the left and right, weighing 3 pounds. Metabolically active organ working cells are also called hepatocytes, which reproduce in response to liver injury. The functions of the liver: bile production, excretion of bilirubin, cholesterol, hormones, and drugs, metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbs, enzyme activity, storage of glycogen, vitamins, blood detoxification, synthesis of plasma proteins. Rhodiola Milk Thistle improves fatigue caused by liver stress. Rhodiola rosea is the first plant in our food supplement. Rhodiola rosea is a perennial flowering plant that grows in rock crevices in the northern regions of Mount Baekdu, Korea. The extract reduces stress hormone, which is called cortisol, and also it exhibits mental performance enhancement. So pag po nagre-release ang body natin ng cortisol, that is when you are very stressed. So pag maraming cortisol, it is important for you to drink milk thistle. At yung mga anak nyo po, para gusto nyong tumalino lalo sa school, it is a mental performance enhancement. So it is also called the golden root. Adaptogens, meaning herbs or roots of plant substances that help our bodies manage stress and restore balance. And ang ginagamit po are the dried roots of rhodiola. Potent ingredients, salidroside. The benefits: it helps decrease stress, helps with fatigue, anxiety, insomnia, depression. Helps reduce symptoms of depression, has antidepressant properties to help chemical imbalances. Ang depression po is a disease. Hindi po yan arte-arte lang. Pag sinabi po ng isang tao sa inyo, I'm depressed, kailangan po nating maniwala. We cannot judge. Because sometimes people are depressed, they don't know why. But it is yung mga chemical substances in your brain, may imbalance po. At may gamot po para dyan. So sometimes teens or adults commit suicide, wala po tayong no inkling of why. But because this is a disease, Hindi siya na-diagnose, hindi siya nakapunta sa doktor, hindi natulungan yung chemical imbalance sa brain. They always feel na parang there's no solution. They're so depressed, they don't know, they don't have any answer. And they don't want people to know that they want to end their lives. So pag po nananakot na magpapakamatay ako, yun po yung malamang hindi. Because if you want to die, you don't want people to discover you. You don't want people to help you. You want to do it na hindi ka masisave. But if you threaten people that you want to die, you want to commit suicide, gusto mo ng tulong. So, hindi po rin natin dapat yan baliwalain. Because those who are saying that are reaching out so that help will be extended to them. Okay, it also helps reduce symptoms of depression. So, yung pong nakikita niyong mga nalulungkot, nade-depress, pwede po yan uminom ng rhodiola milk thistle. Rhodiola also has an anti-cancer property. The salidroside inhibits growth of lung, bladder, gastric, and colon cancer cells. Russian and Scandinavian countries tested people with anxiety, fatigue, depression. A study of 100 people given 400 milligrams of rhodiola for 8 weeks. Wala pa pong 8 weeks, 4 weeks pa lang, nakita na stress symptoms were relieved, na-alleviate ang fatigue, quality of life improved, mood swings have decreased, better concentration, improved brain function, and exercises performances. Rhodiola also helps in diabetes management. So it is taken 100 to 200 milligram to boost athletic performance. Kung may mga anak po kayong mga nasa varsity, maganda po yan. Rhodiola milk thistle, 200 milligram. And for those na super stressed or depressed, dapat po 400 to 600 milligram. For the milk thistle, this is the second herb na nasa ating food supplement. Is a thorny, ayan po itsura niya, ang milk thistle. Asteraceae silibum marianum is the scientific name. Silimarine, well known for the antioxidant activities that protect liver cells. It is also commonly known as wild artichoke. Flavonoids help your body function more efficiently while protecting it against everyday toxins and stressors. So, milk thistle is a very powerful antioxidant agent. Silibin is the active ingredient, antioxidant, antifibrotic agent. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Yung pong mga may TB, pag gumaling na po kayo ng tuberculosis, nagkakaroon po ng fibrosis ang lungs. And milk thistle has the ability para hindi na po gumrabe yung fibrosis sa lungs nyo. Yan po yung peklat or scarring. That is why some who have this in their x-ray, hindi na nakakapag-abroad. Because in other countries, zero na po ang tuberculosis. Now, they are afraid na mahawa because highly contagious ang TB. So, if you have this scarring or you have relatives who cannot go abroad because they fail in the physical examination, please make them take milk thistle para ma-improve po ang fibrosis in the lungs. So, it also improves quality of sleep, improves mental health, stabilizes progression of the disease multiple sclerosis, MS. MS is a chronic disease of the CNS, Central Nervous System. Nagsa-start po na people lose the ability to speak clearly, write, and walk. So early symptoms can include vision problems, trouble in walking, and tingling feelings. So kung may kilala po kayong may MS, milk thistle will be very helpful to them. A study done on patients using parameters or serological tests after 4 months of taking milk thistle, yan po. SGOT and SGPT showed significant decrease in groups treated with Silimarin. Parati niyo po yan nakikita, di ba? Yan po ang tinatawag nating blood chemistry. Di ba? Our doctors will ask you to do a complete blood chemistry which includes FBS, HbA1c, lipid profile, BUN-CREA, SGPT, SGOT, sodium, potassium, yan po ang nire-request sa atin. And yun po ang pinakita sa screen, pinainom po ng milk thistle, rhodiola milk thistle, and after 4 months, maganda po, bumaba na ang SGPT compared to the placebo. Meaning, ang SGPT po are enzymes ng liver. It gives you a picture of your liver function. So, ganyan po ka-effective ang rhodiola milk thistle. Now, if you are diagnosed to have fatty liver, na ultrasound kayo, sinabi, ay fatty liver na. Or the next to fatty liver is diffuse liver disease. After diffuse liver disease, cirrhosis na po yan. And then end-stage liver damage. So, pag sinabing fatty liver, since sinabi ko kanina, di ba, nagagamot po ang liver. Ang hepatocytes po, pag na-injure, they reproduce. So, you have to take milk thistle. After 4 months or 6 months, magpa-ultrasound po kayo, I assure you na improve na po ang fatty liver nyo. You can do and repeat your ultrasound. Hindi na po natin hihintayin mag-cirrhosis, di ba? Uminom na po kayo ng milk thistle. So the other parts of milk thistle are the vitamin B complex. Hindi na po kayo kailangan bumili ng Neurobion or other B complex kasi po ang rhodiola milk thistle may B complex na. We have the B1 thiamine. The recommended daily allowance is 1.2 milligram. It is a neurotropic vitamins, meaning vitamins for the nerves. Essential for nerve health. It heals nerve damage. It's a nerve energizer. It converts carbohydrates to energy. Sources are as follows: vitamin B deficiency is beriberi and Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. Ano yon? It is a memory disorder due to alcoholism. The next is vitamin B2, which is riboflavin. The RDA is 1.3 milligram. Naturally present in foods. Bacteria in the gut can produce small amounts of riboflavin but not enough to meet dietary needs. So it's a key component of coenzymes involved with growth of cells, energy production, breakdown of fats, steroids, and medications. Most riboflavin is used and not stored in the body, so excess amounts are excreted in the urine. So enough na po na uminom kayo ng rhodiola milk thistle. You don't have to buy separately ng vitamin B complex kasi sayang ang pera, it goes to the urine. An excess of dietary riboflavin, usually from supplements, can cause urine to become bright yellow. So wag po kayong matakot kung very bright yellow ang inyong urine. Deficiency causes cracked lips, sore throat, hair loss, swollen tongue, skin rash, anemia, itchy red lips, and severe cases of cataracts. Vitamin B5 pantothenic acid, RDA, 1.3 milligrams. It is water-soluble, a precursor of coenzyme essential for fatty acid metabolism. Critical in the manufacture of red blood cells, sex hormones, and stress hormones. Pantothenic is the combination of pantoic acid and beta-alanine. Food sources, legumes, avocado, meat, eggs, milk, vegetable. It helps patients with peripheral neuropathy. Ano po ang peripheral neuropathy? Kapag po nagsustart na merong pins and needles sa fingertips, and sa legs. Yan po ang peripheral neuropathy. Nagsa-start lalo na po sa mga diabetic, no? Sometimes, when you raise your hand higher than your heart, nagsa-start, nagtitingling. Pero pag binaba niyo yung kamay niyo, nawawala. Kasi gumaganda yung flow ng blood, di ba? Headache, insomnia, drowsiness. Food sources as shown on slide. Yan po. At kung ayaw nyo na masyadong pagluto, just buy rhodiola milk tea cell. So rhodiola milk tea cell are people who needs to improve their health, people who wants to boost nutrient metabolism, those who work longer hours and have late night meals, those who are too busy to manage their health, those who wants to improve their liver metabolism, people suffering from fatigue caused by stress, and a study on 55 patients suffering from depression randomly given Zoloft and rhodiola and placebo. Siyempre po, Zoloft most effective, but rhodiola has lesser side effects than Zoloft. So, sana tayo, di ba? Milk tea cell, rhodiola milk tea cell ng Atomy. So that wraps up my discussion about rhodiola milk tea cell.